All right, let's talk about a business model. This isn't just an idea. It's a blueprint for a service that is in super high demand, right at the heart of the whole AI revolution. So if you're looking for a serious market opportunity, you're going to want to see this.
Okay, with billions, and I mean billions with a B, pouring into making AI smarter, let's start with a really important question. What's the one hidden vulnerability, the single point of failure that could take down even the most advanced AI on the planet?
And the answer, it's surprisingly simple, but it's a huge deal. Corrupted training data. You've heard the saying, garbage in, garbage out, right? Well, this is that, but on a massive AI-powered scale. And this right here, this foundational problem, that's our market opportunity.
So what does corrupted actually mean here? Well, we're basically talking about three main culprits. First, you have noise. That's all the irrelevant junk information that just confuses the model. Then you got bad labels, which is when data gets categorized wrong, basically teaching the AI all the wrong things. And finally, formatting inconsistencies, little structural errors that can totally derail the whole training process. Every single one of these is like a poison pill for an AI's performance.
A problem this big needs an elegant solution, and that's exactly what this blueprint is all about. So let's get into how we can turn this massive challenge into a really powerful, marketable service.
The solution is a service we're calling data hygiene. You can think of it like a specialized high-tech cleaning crew for AI datasets. But the most important part of this whole thing is using automated scripts. This isn't about hiring a bunch of people to do it by hand. It's about using tech to fix tech. That's the secret to making this efficient and, scalable.
Our process? It's beautifully simple. Just 3 steps. Check it out. First, we find the specific data corruption. Then, we let our automated scripts do all the heavy lifting. And third, we scrub, fix, and resolve every single issue, handing a perfectly clean data set back to our client. This isn't just a process. It's a well-oiled machine for creating value over and over again.
Okay, so the technical side is solid. We've got that. But how do we turn this into a really profitable, scalable business? This is where the model gets exciting. It's all about the revenue engine. This is the number that matters, $2,000. But, and this is the most important part, that's not a one-time fee. That is monthly recurring revenue. This subscription model is our repeatable unit of value. It's the core building block for the entire company. Now this comparison right here is everything. On the left, you've got the old way of doing things. A one-time fix, it's transactional, you get paid once, and it's a pain to scale. But on the right, that's our model, a recurring hygiene service. This gives us a predictable monthly revenue stream, it turns a client into a long-term partner, and because it's all automated, it's highly scalable. This is the difference between having a job and building an asset.
And that really brings us to the ultimate vision. See, this is about way more than just providing a service. It's about strategically building a valuable, scalable asset that's going to generate wealth for the long haul.
The path forward from here is crystal clear. We start right now by establishing that core $2,000 a month service, proving its value one client at a time. From there, we move to dominate the data hygiene niche, to become the absolute go-to experts. And that strong foundation lets us build a structured, scalable asset with the ultimate goal of achieving real, long-term financial independence and growth.
I love this quote because it just nails the whole idea. We're not just fixing code. We are transforming raw technical maintenance into a structured, scalable asset. That's the whole mindset shift right there. You go from being a freelancer to a business owner, building something with real, lasting equity. So I'll just leave you with this one last thought. While everyone else is frantically chasing the gold of building the next great AI, maybe the smarter, more durable opportunity isn't in the gold rush itself, but in selling the picks and shovels. Or in our case, the mission-critical cleanup service that every single AI company is going to need. So, is the real gold rush in the hygiene? I think that's the billion-dollar question.